Hello folks, this is John Graziano from FFP Wealth Management with an educational economic update for May 2019. In this month's video, I'll discuss some of the major headlines that influence markets in April. I'll also provide insight into what these developments could mean for you as an investor. Be sure to stay tuned at the end of the video for a required disclosure statement. April was another positive month for the markets. All three of the major domestic indexes posted gains. The Dow Industrials added 2.6%, the Nasdaq Composite was up 4.9%, meanwhile the S&P 500 increased by 3.9% and wrapped up its 4 months of performance in almost 9 years. So what happened last month? We received stronger data updates than many people anticipated, especially for economic growth and corporate earnings. For example, the latest reading of the gross domestic product indicated the economy grew by 3.2% in the first quarter. Economists predicted growth that was closer to 2.5%. Instead, initial reading was the best first quarter results since 2015 and the first time since that growth exceeded 3% between January and March. Corporate earnings also have been surprisingly strong so far. When earnings season started, many investors were preparing to weather some choppy results. For months, experts discussed how the effect of the 2018 tax cuts would no longer help drive corporate profits. As a result, earnings would disappoint starting in the first quarter of 2019. By the last full week of April, however, the initial earnings results were telling a different story. FactSet Research reported that almost half of the S&P 500 had shared their reports and 77% beat their own earnings estimates. Of course, we still have many reports to receive, and no one can say how this earnings season will end. As of April 26th, FactSheet was still projecting a year-over-year decline for corporate earnings. Credit Suisse, on the other hand, forecasted an increase of as much as 3%. Either way, the initial results seem to indicate that the first quarter corporate earnings are better than many people expected. Stocks responded to these results by climbing even higher. In the last full week of April, both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite reached new record highs, and all three major indexes have experienced double-digit gains for the year. The market has come far since the decline we experienced in late 2018, and this month we'll see where we're headed. From earnings season to the Federal Reserve meeting and beyond, we have a lot to analyze. As always, if you have any questions, we'd be happy to chat. That's it for this month's Educational Economic Update. Once again, this is John Graziano from FFP Wealth Management, signing off for the month of May 2019. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation, and if you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 201-823-1030. We'd be happy to speak to you. Thank you.
The following is the required disclosure. While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended for investment advice or solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. FFP Wealth Management is a branch office of TFS Securities Inc., a full-service broker-dealer located at 437 Newman Springs Road, Lincroft, New Jersey, 07738. Investment advisory services are offered through TFS Advisory Services, a division of TFS Securities Inc. This video is the property of FFP Wealth Management and should not be downloaded, shared, or otherwise disseminated without the express written permission of FFP Wealth Management. Thank you and have a super fantastic day.